Hey everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are tired of feeling dusty and sticky after a long day of hiking, or if you simply miss the luxury of a warm rinse while living off the grid, you are definitely looking for the best portable shower for camping. This incredible gear setup completely redefines outdoor hygiene. Let's get started. When you are out exploring nature, staying clean and refreshed can be a major challenge. That is exactly where the Zappyway portable shower for camping steps in to elevate your experience. Designed as a comprehensive all-in-one solution, this system ensures you can enjoy a comforting rinse anywhere. It comes equipped with a 6.6-gallon foldable bucket, a reliable portable shower pump, and an immersion water heater, meaning you never have to settle for a freezing cold wash in the wilderness again. The standout feature of this setup is its smart heated shower system. The Zappyway portable shower for camping includes an immersion heater that brings water to a comfortable temperature quickly. It features a digital display and a waterproof switch, allowing you to easily monitor the heat level in real time. This intuitive design takes the guesswork out of outdoor bathing, ensuring you get a soothing, perfectly warmed shower even when you are staying in remote locations. Versatility is another area where this kit truly shines, making it useful for far more than just campsite hygiene. The Zappyway portable shower for camping features an adjustable shower head equipped with 4 distinct spray modes, allowing you to customize the water flow to your exact liking. Whether you need a gentle mist or a strong spray for pet bathing, this adaptable tool handles it all. It also includes handy hooks and suction cups for effortless, hands-free mounting anywhere. Portability and practicality are woven directly into the physical design of this appliance. The Zappyway portable shower for camping is engineered to pack down small, fitting neatly into its included mesh storage bag for effortless organization and transport. Taking up minimal space in your trunk, it is convenient for road trips, beach excursions, backyard barbecues, or watering plants. This flexible indoor and outdoor usability makes it a fantastic tool for any adventure. Sustainability and performance are major highlights of this modern kit. The Zappyway portable shower for camping is powered by an electric pump that recharges easily via a standard Type-C cable. This eco-conscious design eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making it an environmentally friendly choice for nature lovers. With its durable build and continuous water flow, this multifunctional kit provides a dependable rinsing solution for bathing, cleaning gear, and rinsing off. Bring the comfort of a warm, high-pressure shower directly to your next campsite. Check the price link in the description to find out where you can get your hands on this amazing outdoor shower kit today. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome outdoor gear guides and tech updates. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay clean out there, travel safely, and I will see you all in the very next video. Goodbye.